OK， 我们来看这一道 RA 的讲解。我们先来看它的前两句，它开始读一下。While blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least appetizing. Blue food is rare in nature. 首先，我们来看这个字的发音，它叫做有胃口的 appetizing。其次呢，我们要注意的是这个句子里的重读。我们要重读的句子有 blue， 还有 popular 以及 least。OK， 所以读这一句读出来的感觉就是。While blue is one of the most popular colors, it is one of the least appetizing. 接下来这一句我们要重读的有 rare 跟 nature， 所以感觉就是 blue food is rare in nature. 接下来看下一句 Food researchers say that when humans search for food, they learn to avoid toxic or spoiled objects, which were often blue, black, or purple. 那么这一句当中我们要注意的也是主要是重读了。第一个要重读单词有 say， 然后 humans, food， 所以读起来 Food researchers say that when humans search for food。 好，接下来 learn 这个动作以及 avoid toxic or spoiled 这两个单词的发音注意 toxic and spoiled， 读出来就是 learn to avoid toxic or spoiled objects。 接下来这个断句我们要注意一下，它的感觉是 which were often blue, black, or purple。三个并列的时候，我们的语调要往上扬 A, B, and C。 再看下一句 When food dyed blue is served to study objects, they lose appetite。 首先也是来看发音，胃口这个词呢叫做 appetite。 其次被染色的这个叫做 dyed。 那我们这边还有要重读的一个词叫做 served， 所以感觉出来这个句子读起来就是When food dyed blue is served to study objects, they lose appetite.